channel. And today I was actually not supposed to vlog, but then suddenly we had a plan made, so I'm like, hey, let's not miss this opportunity and let's vlog this. Look at this lady here. Anyways, starting from scratch. So I woke up at like 10:30, 11 today and then proceeded to... I basically woke up to the IPL score. It was SRH versus DC and I was supporting DC, but literally Travis Head scored 98 runs in like 4 overs and it was crazy. But yeah, anyways, baat ki baat hai. Everything got done. I had breakfast, lunch, etc. I edited a YouTube video today too. And now we are actually heading out. We are going to IKEA to get some stuff for our home. So yes. My name is Shakal Dholia and I'm wearing this since yesterday. So I'm just gonna quickly maybe take a shower and then get back to things. So I'm not really buying a full-fledged look today. So I'm just gonna go into my basics. I'll just do the skincare quickly. I'm using this Lancome toner and I'll be hydrating my face with it, followed by इसके बाद I'll be putting the snail mucin. This basically keeps my face really dewy and I don't know, moisturized. So problem is that I have a very dry skin, जिसकी वजह से I have to reapply moisturizer, you know, every 3-4 hours, which is sort of good because my skin gets the moisture it needs, but also really annoying because a lot of times I'm wearing makeup and it just gets super dry. Dot & Key. This is like my favorite moisturizer these days. It's like so lightweight and so nice. And as you can see, I am not applying I'm not going to apply makeup for sure. I'm not in the mood. So I'm just going to go with my sunscreen. Thoda sa makeup I might do, but like not a full-fledged one. मेरे हाथ sticky हो गए.
2 hours later.
Finally it opened and I am going to apply mascara. There's this thing, the Precisely Pro pencil by The Benefit, so I am going to use that for them. My brows are weirdly done and it's like once in a blue moon. I get it done every 10 days, but for a change it's like it syncs that I'm filming and they are done. So yeah, I just love when they are on point. The way this is in the shade 4.5, so it's like a dark brown color, which, you know, as you can see, blends very well. Now using the Holy Grail, this is the Penitent. Again, it's like the best for casual days since it's like a tint. You don't really need to have makeup on and it still gives you that flush. Must recommend, 10 on 10. But kabhi na it just gets very patchy, so I don't like that about it. Like sometimes if you know you don't blend it fast enough. I literally just told you कि makeup लगाने का मन नहीं, and I don't know why I'm doing this, but the makeup look. But देखो technically मैंने ऐसे foundation या कोई tint तो नहीं लगाया. So like this Halo Glow blush. This is I treat it as like a highlighter blush because oh bhai क्या कर दिया. I treat this as a highlighter blush because it gives me like the best of both worlds. Last May, the Summer Fridays lip balm. Sorry, this is not lip balm. This is lip oil. This is lip oil, and this has like this type ka shade, which is like it's the same shade as my lips, like exact same shade, sort of, and then it just blends. And see, this is my no makeup look. And now I'm quickly gonna change because yeah. And I just wore a hoodie and yeah, it's very chill, so comfortable, and just I think the most casual outfit I can do to do ghar ki shopping. I don't even know that if my hair is like clean enough. I think it's third day hair I have today. That's why it's like स्टिकी ऊपर से, बट आई थिंक काम तो चल जाएगा. आई थिंक आई एम रेडी. चले. मम्मी मिल ही नहीं रहा ट्राइपॉड. अपनी आंखों से देख लो. We chose the same bag today. Hoodie and leggings.
You turn this way.
This. Things I have to do for movies. Cringe. Thanks, guys.
अच्छा. Babe, baboshin cha theek par?
Guys, what are with moms talking to Masi all the time? मतलब घर में भी मम्मी मासी से बात कर रही होती है.
परसों मैंने क्या देखा है,
बाय
एक रील जिसमें माँ का फोन उठाया है और माँ उसमें लिखा था मासी का नंबर था वो, तो उसने मासी का नाम बुआ चेंज कर दिया, उसको बुआ चेंज कर दिया और फिर फोन आ रहा है तो वो देख रही है उसको उठा नहीं रही, तो फिर कह रही है ऐसे ही 1-2 दिन हो गए उनके, तो वो कह रही है यार मासी का फोन ही नहीं आ रहा और तो वो कहता बड़ा अजीब सा है, कभी इतना टाइम नहीं लगा यार. क्या था कि जरा देख मेरा फोन में कोई खराबी तो नहीं है. उसने उसका कुछ नहीं किया, उसने खट से बुआ को फिर से मासी कर दिया और खट से फोन, फिर एकदम से फोन आ गया. अरे आ गया.
आप कहना क्या चाहते हो?
मेरे वही कहने का मतलब है
प्रॉब्लम भाई मम्मी नींद से उठती है, बस में जाते जाते ऑफिस में आते जाते मासी से बात करेगी, आते आते मासी से बात करेगी, फिर उनसे मिलने भी जाएगी. और
पाची कहते हैं उसे, पाची.
हाँ मैं मासी को पाची बोलती हूँ. सम द स्टोरी सम अदर टाइम, बट या
मुझे गर्मी तो नहीं लगेगी आज बाहर?
नहीं ठंड है. सो आवर फर्स्ट स्टॉप वी आर हियर टू बाय रग्स. अब देखते हैं व्हाट वी गेट. आई लाइक दिस वन ऑल्सो, जो आपने भी पकड़ा था ना वो बेटर है. हाँ
मैंने बहुत अच्छा $40 ऑफ, ऑनेस्टली इसमें बहुत कमेंट, फिर भी मैंने आपको.
हाय पापा, ले लिया रग? कहाँ के ले लिया?
नॉट रॉन्ग.
या वेयर यू टेक इट फॉर?
गाइस हम अब
Where did you take it for?
Home.
Oh yeah. So basically today's day we are doing घर की shopping completely, and yeah, like it's been 1 year we are living in this house and we want to like bring some colors and something new. So that's what we are doing. And yeah, अभी हमने क्या किया पापा? अभी we bought a carpet for our living room, and now we are going to, where are we going? The light store. We are going to get lights now.
बंद क्यों है मुझे नहीं पता, क्योंकि ये टाइम तो बंद नहीं
Maybe
हुआ.
Saturday they don't open.
नहीं बट यूजुअली दैट डजंट हैपन. यूजुअली सब लोग वीकेंड्स पे ही आते हैं यहाँ पे.
आपको स्टोरी सुनानी थी ना आज. Come to the screen and enlighten our people.
हाँ जी. This girl is so जंट. पता है इसने क्या
चंट क्या होता है?
जंट
उनको नहीं पता ना,
किनको?
जो भी देखेगा ये व्लॉग उनको क्या पता चंट ना पता हो क्या होता है.
सबको पता है जंट क्या होता है. एनीवेज, तो फिर मैंने ये पहने तो उसको लगा कि मेरी माँ आज बड़ी स्मार्ट लग रही है, तो कहती है मम्मा आप ये मत पहनो ना, ये वाला ये ग्रे थोड़ा डल कलर है. मैंने बोला क्यों? मैं रही बेचारी भोली सी. मैंने बोला कि अच्छा क्यों? कहते आपको ब्राइट सा पहन. मैंने बोला मैं रेड वाली अपनी टॉमी की पहन. कहती हाँ वो ना कैमरा में बहुत अच्छी लगी. अच्छा ठीक है मैं जाने लगी था. कहती ये मुझे देना पहनने के लिए. मैं अच्छा बोला अब तो मैं कभी ना होता.
अरे तो बेसिकली मुझे मम अभी व्लॉग में फिर वो बोला कि काटो. बट एनीवेज बाबू था, मुझे ये पता नहीं कहाँ से लेके आई है. अगर मुझे पता होता ये एग्जिस्ट करती होती मैं पहले रख लेती अपने पास. फिर मैंने मतलब चलो क्या कर सकते हैं, फिर मैंने मतलब ऐसी ही एक गैप की उठा ली. ये गाइस इट्स सो कोल्ड. ज़्यादा मतलब इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है, बट आई थिंक आई शुड हैव कैरीड अ जैकेट विद मी. मम्मा पीने दो यार, थोड़ी शांति हो गई.
करो तो मैं भी आ रहा हूँ.
बाय दिस प्लेस इज लाइक सो प्रिटी. आई लव इट. बेसिकली क्या होता है ना, एवरी टाइम आई एम हियर आई स्टार्ट प्लानिंग माई स्टफ कि ओ मुझे ये करना है, ओ मुझे ये खरीदना है. यहाँ पे एवरी सिंगल थिंग इज नो चीप. तो चलो हाँ तो चीप है तो फिर सब ले लेते हैं.
वही तो कह रही हूँ.
इट्स नॉट चीप बट like we have to go down and get everything. So तभी थोड़ा confusion हो रहा है because we're just taking pictures and we don't know, like not able to figure things out कि कहाँ से क्या ले types.
Also nice.
Guys, हमें पापा ditch करके जा चुके हैं and he's like having coffee. But I'm kind of glad that I chose a very
Oh, so cute.
comfortable look today. Oh yeah, nice. And we are done with shopping. काफी ज़्यादा कर ली.
चलो मैं ये देख के आ जाता हूँ.
So we just got back from IKEA, unloaded the stuff, got it inside. लगाएंगे तो अभी नहीं. I think we'll start putting it. Like we just got few things. I think we'll like जमा everything and then put it all at once. Basic चीज़ जो अभी लगा सकते हैं, we'll do that. But भाई, I'm so tired. I think we all are very tired. Problem ये है कि IKEA में we spend around like 4 hours and half the time it was like we were confused if what would go with at what place. And obviously since there were 3 people and 3 different opinions, we were like discussion. We did end up buying a lot of things, but we still left a lot of things too which we were planning to buy. And because of that, हमने last lunch किया था around like 1:32 and then it was like 9:30 now, so we all were super hungry. Then we were like, oh, घर आके खा लेंगे because we had food. But we took a detour on our way and we went to Nana Nani's house, like Mama Mami Nana Nani's house. And yeah, उसके बाद we picked Nanu, Masi, all of these people up, and then now they're here and they're gonna stay here for the night since it's weekend. We usually do that activity a lot कि ऐसे कभी उधर चले गए रात के लिए, कभी they come here, family. But yeah, we did that and I just had my dinner and it was good. What did I have for dinner? I had beans rice. And हाँ, नाना के घर पे since I was like that hungry, I literally ran inside the kitchen. I was like, please कुछ खाने के लिए दे दो थोड़ा सा. And then there was like a burger, little burger. I had that too. But yeah. And bus, this was my day and I don't know ki how this vlog would turn out. Abhi since I had dinner, I'll like freshen up a bit, I'll change and get into bed. And I won't say I'll sleep. I will edit tomorrow's reel. I will take out this footage from the camera and then I wouldn't edit this today, but I'll start editing at least. I have some to-do list to do that I will do and then I'll sleep. So yeah, and I know this vlog शायद इतना अच्छा नहीं बना होगा and please excuse me for that. I'm still a beginner. It's my first time making a vlog. And bus. So please like, share, subscribe, comment. Subscribe is super important because I think that is one thing that will motivate me to make more and more vlogs and videos on YouTube. So please do it. Okay, bye.